Same note, this is indeed an important venture following the initiation of the Kisii County Boda Sacco last year. On the same note, I'm happy that Boda operators from all the 9 sub-counties are set to form Saccos from each of branches, where the county Saccos will be the umbrella Sacco for the county and sub-counties and municipality Sacco. By embracing the Sacco movement, it will not only help the players in the sector to pool resources, but also to enhance the discipline, beside ensuring that we have smooth operations in the important sector, which is public transport. I want to thank the leadership in the Boda sector for initiating this idea, because I understand that the riders, mainly the youth, form an integral part in the economic development of the county and the country too. Apart from launching the municipality Sacco, it's encouraging that the operators have come up with a clear identifier for Boda rider within the municipality. The clear identification will help in enhancing the security of the passengers and the luggage, thereby promoting security and discipline in the sector. I'm also pleased by the decision by the municipality operators to embrace innovation by adopting mobile phone-enabled Boda hailing application. This will make it easy for the customers to seek for service from riders from the comfort of their residence or workplace. I urge all operators within the county to follow suit and embrace new modes of operation so as to prosper in business. On the part of the county government, I've initiated the county credit scheme. Already we have set aside an initial of 20 million Kenya shillings for purpose, and I appeal that you borrow the money for self-development in entrepreneurship. I encourage you to also save continuously and consistently to help sustain this movement. The savings will go a long way to help members build homes, afford fees for their children, and develop other businesses venture to maximize the economics of scale. The county will also foster education, sensitization to members, official and employees of the Sacco through our expertise in the Department of Cooperative and Trade. Through this Sacco initiative, it is possible to acquire property, purchase and resell of motorcycles, spare parts, sales and other aspects which will contribute to the economic enhancement of Boda operators in the county. In other initiatives that from my administration, we have in place the county bursary fund of Kenya shillings 5 million per ward, which I urge you to apply for your children to get funding for their education. At the same time, we're improving services, capitation, and curriculum for our vocational training institutions. I urge Boda operators to enroll for training in various skills available so as to help improve on earning. I equally advise you to engage in agricultural activities like planting of ash, avocado, cassava, pyrethrum, and coffee to diversify your income. Finally, I urge all the riders to fully comply with the traffic rules and regulations, as these will greatly contribute to their safety and those of their clients. Tafadhali, nyinyi ndugu zangu wa bodaboda, lazima tukue pia na nidhamu. Lazima nidhamu ikwepo. Mkitoka hapa, unajua siku nyingine na nimesikia mlikuwa mnafagia, lakini wengine wakifagia wanapata mtu mwingine wewe haya anauza mayai, wananyang'anya mayai anakula. Wananyang'anya mwingine njugu. Ni vitina.
Ni siasa. Nyinyi kwa sababu wale wanauza mboga pale na wanauza njugu, wengine ni bibi zenu, si ndio? Ni ndugu zenu. Kwa hivyo mimi naomba kiroho safi, mkue mfano mzuri. Nataka kila mtu aimbe kwamba nataka tuwe kama wana boda boda. Na mimi sasa, unajua sikuwa nimejua kwamba mmeshirikiana vizuri. Boda Transport Cooperative Society Limited, and in its bylaws have this day been duly registered by me in the register of cooperative society in persons of provision of the Act and the rules made thereunder, given under my hand at Nairobi, 27th day of September 2023. The person who gave it is the Commissioner for Cooperative, Mr. David K. Omonyo. Officially we launch officially now we launch the Kisii Municipality Boda Transport Cooperative Society, and I give this certificate to the chairman.
Cooperative. Tunataka tuombe the leadership na wote wanahusika katika bodaboda katika mji huu, muonyeshe mfano wa sub counties, kwa sababu nyinyi ndio headquarter. Wengine huko nje wafuate yale mnaonyesha katika mji huu. Kutokana na mpango wenu, Your Excellency, vile bodaboda katika mji wetu mkuu wameonyesha vile wamejipanga, nataka nikuombe uangalie yale wameomba uwapatie. Ndio utawapa moyo kufanya yale ambao wameahidi watafanya katika kazi yao ya biashara.